Hello, Malongs. Today, we're gonna make some meatballs. I love meatballs. I mean, who doesn't like meatballs? Everyone loves meatballs. My first experience with meatballs was actually at the university. I went to the subway, didn't know what to eat, and I saw the meatball sandwich. And that was my first experience, and it was really good. There are lots of recipes out there. Today, I'll show you how I like to make my meatballs. As always, we're gonna start slicing garlics. Some green onions, as always. Ground beef. Well, this time I'm using a lean ground beef because I'm gonna put some ground pork as well. Pinch of pepper, pinch of salt, some dried oreganos, pancos. I mean, breadcrumbs. Doesn't really matter. They're both same. Pancos are more bigger and rougher. And then put some milks and mix it well. My personal opinion, you can put anything in your meatballs as long as there's a ground beef or pork and some seasoning. I mean, you don't really doesn't have to put the breading into it as well, but the breading and milk actually make it more softer texture. Without it, it's just raw and chewy. And we're gonna deep fry the meatball in the oil. Remember, you are not putting the max heat on your, uh, I don't know what to call it, inductions, gas, whatever you have. Never ever put max power on. It always is easier to cook with the medium to medium high heat rather than like you crank it up the heat to the high. We're gonna just deep fry until you get some color out of it. They're gonna keep the meatball shapes intact. Olive oil, garlic, some green onions. And we're gonna add some chili pepper. We're gonna add a little bit of a spiciness, but it's not gonna be too spicy because we're gonna mix it with the other ingredients. And some tomato sauce. And now we're gonna put all the tomato sauce into the infused oil with garlic and green onion, as well as red chili pepper. mix it well. Add some salt, always, when you are cooking. Taste and check the seasoning. Add more salt. And then we're gonna put all the meatballs in there. Mix it well. Now we're gonna put the covers and then cook it on low heat. Thanks for watching today. Please subscribe and like. People leave. Thank you.